Hello and welcome to 4 practical steps for healthy self-image. The purpose of the following lines is to inspire you to create a feeling towards yourself where you can accept and enjoy yourself the way you are, for your own benefit and the benefit of others. The ideas originate from Earl Nightingale, a truly outstanding thinker of the last century. So, what are the 4 steps to create a healthy self-image? First of all, forgive others. No strings attached. Forgive all the people that you hold a grudge to. Clean the slate absolutely. You don't hurt others by holding a grudge. You hurt yourself. So it is healthy for yourself to let the grudge go and forgive all others. The second step is to forgive yourself. See yourself with kind eyes. Forgive all the idiotic things you have done, the pain you've suffered, the embarrassment you've suffered. Most of the time you suffered or experienced embarrassment because you didn't know better. So, forgive yourself. Wipe clean the slate. Sometimes we are harder on ourselves than on others, but blame does not help. The third step: see yourself at your best. We can start a day in frustration or confidence. Take your pick. An intelligent way to do it is to pick confidence. It is better to start a day in a confident mood than in the mood of frustration. Here it is helpful if you define what kind of person you want to be. A person with a good health? Show yourself that you can create it. A person with healthy social environment? Show yourself that you can create it. A person that has an abundant life? Show yourself that you can create it. But how can you create it? Thinking is the first step. Build up the inner confidence that you can achieve any goal you want. And then act towards your goals. Prove it to yourself. It can be little steps to build up your confidence, like being punctual or just friendly. But notice these little successes. They support your decision for inner confidence. The fourth step is to keep up with yourself. So don't worry about what others are doing. Keep your pace. It is different from the pace of others. It is faster than some and slower than others. Don't keep yourself down. Live the life you want to live. Earn what you want to earn in serving others. And do what you want to do. Live your own life. Don't be too concerned how others are living theirs. Inferiority complexes can be cured by knowing yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Every human being is better in some areas of your life than in others. And on the contrary, some persons are not as good in some areas than others are. Always. So the persons that know themselves are not too concerned if they are not the best golfer, dancer, or driver. It is impossible for every human being to be as good in every field than every other human being. If you know yourself, you know your strengths. How do you discover your strengths? You discover it by seeing what you really enjoy and do effortlessly. That might be a burden for others, but it is joy for you. Actions and habits that you do in an excellent way, effortlessly, combined with joy. Do the strengths have to be developed? Yes, the strengths have to be developed. A musician is practicing to be a good musician. If he is doing it with joy, he is developing his strength. An artist is practicing to be a good artist. But if he is doing it joyfully, he is developing his strength. You see, it is not that all your strengths are perfectly developed, but you can. Just use your feeling of happiness to lead you towards your strengths. One last thing, if you acknowledge the strength of others, you automatically have a healthy self-image. If you see the strength of a person and you're reacting jealously, that lowers your self-esteem. A person with a healthy self-image cannot be jealous. You acknowledge the uniqueness and the strength of the person, and you will build the confidence automatically. So in a nutshell, forgive others, forgive yourself, see yourself at your best, and keep up with yourself. Thank you and take care.